to 2025, a year where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool but an integral part of our daily lives. From the devices we use to the services we rely on, AI has revolutionized every facet of our existence. Hello tech enthusiasts, I am Avishka and today we are diving into the groundbreaking AI developments of 2025. We'll explore how these innovations are reshaping industries, enhancing our daily routines and what the future holds. This year, we have witnessed a surge in AI advanced models. Elon Musk's XAI introduced Grok 3, a chatbot boosting over 10 times the computational power of its predecessor. Grok 3 isn't just about speed, it offers advanced reasoning, breakthrough down complex questions and manageable tasks. Users can choose between Think mode, which displays step-by-step reasoning, and Big Brain mode for more demanding queries. Not to be outdone, Chinese startup DeepSeek unveiled DeepSeek R1, an open-source large language model. In early tests, DeepSeek R1 has demonstrated performance comparable to leading models, making significant strides in math, coding, and complex reasoning tasks. These developments signify a pivotal shift towards more accessible and efficient AI solutions, democratizing technology for developers and users worldwide. Now, AI's influence extends beyond tech giants. Financial institutions are rapidly integrating AI to enhance their services. For instance, Tiger Brokers adopted DeepSeek AI model DeepSeek R1 into their chatbot Tiger GPT. This integration offers clients advanced market analysis and trading insight, showcasing AI's transformative potential in finance. At least 20 other Chinese financial firms have followed this suit, incorporating DeepSeek's model of risk management, investment strategies, and client interaction. This trend underscores AI's role in reshaping the data-intensive financial industry. Education hasn't been left behind. AI-enhanced notebooks now offer personalized explanation and interactive elements adapting to each student's learning style. However, this innovation brings forth discussion about the role of AI in education and its implication for traditional teaching methods. In our daily routines, AI's presence is more pronounced than ever, from smart home devices anticipating our needs to AI-driven health monitors, providing real-time feedback. The line between technology and daily life continues to blur. Looking ahead, the trajectory of AI points towards even deeper integration into various sectors. However, as AI systems become more autonomous, ethical consideration also take the center stage. Ensuring data privacy, preventing biases, and maintaining transparency are paramount as we navigate this AI-driven future. Moreover, the rise of open-source AI models foster collaboration but also raise questions about regulation and control. Balancing innovation with responsibility will be crucial in the coming years. 2025 marks a transformative period in AI development. As these intelligent systems become more intertwined with our lives, it is essential to stay informed and engaged. Whether you are a tech professional, a student, or simply an enthusiast, understanding AI's evolution will empower you and navigate as well as contribute to these dynamic landscapes. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of AI in 2025. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the tech world. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.